This Air Jordan 1 tanked in price because of this. There was a lot of backdooring, a lot of first come, first serve, no Nike sneakers app drop. The main retailers where most of us cop sneakers from did not even get this release. Crazy stock rumors about this Air Jordan 1. This release was all over the place. If you guys are ready for this video, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. We have a giveaway in this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. So let's do it. Let's talk about this crazy, absolutely crazy Air Jordan 1 release. We got him. We got the Rebellionaire Air Jordan 1. We have to talk about the truth behind this release, how much they were backdoored, first come, first serve at some places, and no Nike sneakers app drop, and the price went from around $400 to $500, plummeted down to like $250 to $300 depending on the size. Another controversial Air Jordan 1. Let's talk about the Rebellionaire Air Jordan 1. We got the Rebellionaire Air Jordan 1s right here in this box, but before we take a look at this sneaker and talk about this ugly release, I have to tell you guys about Keeps, the sponsor of today's video. Keeps is a subscription service that helps men keep their hair, and I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. 2 out of 3 men will experience hair loss by the time they're only 35 years old. Yikes. Keeps offers clinically proven research treatments to stop hair loss. So if you're looking to prevent hair loss, stimulate hair growth, or just take better care of the hair that you do have, Keeps has you covered. Keeps has a network of care specialists and expert medical advisors to take care of you. You can actually get professional care without ever visiting a doctor or even a pharmacy. Even though Keeps treatment plans are very affordable already, in fact, they're half the price of the pharmacies, Keeps has a special offer only for the Moore family. Hair loss stops with Keeps. To get 50% off your first order, go to keeps.com/DannyMoore or click the link down below in the description. That's KEEPS.com/DannyMoore. Thank you, Keeps, for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to it. Thanks, Keeps, once again for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you guys check out Keeps, link down below. We have the Rebellionaire Air Jordan 1 box. This box, I must say, is fire. We got the beautiful X on the front. We have the all black box with a graffiti print. Great Nike branding throughout. This is just a beautiful, beautiful box. They did an amazing job on the packaging because check this out. We also have some very dope tissue paper. As you guys can see, it's like a 3D effect going on. You can see the band theme throughout the tissue paper. Very, very nice. Details are awesome on this sneaker. I love it. I love when we get hidden details, especially on the packaging. It just adds to the story. And then here we have the Bread One actually on his feet. And once again, with that 3D effect on the paper, very, very nice. We got to talk about the release, the ugly truth behind the release, the backdooring, the first come, first serve, craziness on this release. No Nike sneakers app drop. That was insane. We'll talk about everything. But here they are, the Rebellionaire Air Jordan 1s. I need to let you guys know about the free Panda Dunk giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size. Subscribe to Hype Time Kicks here on YouTube. His link is down below in the description. This giveaway ends in about a week and a half, and I'm gonna FaceTime the winner. So if you guys want to get a bonus entry, you guys can DM me on Instagram at DannyMoore2369 and tell me, hey Danny, I want to win some free Panda Dunks. I want to be the Mr. Beast of sneaker YouTube, so make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. We're on the road to 100,000 subscribers this year, so make sure you guys become a part of the Moore family, and you can win some free sneakers. A bunch of giveaways on the way, a bunch of dope content and giving back on the way, so make sure you guys are a part of the Moore family. Smash that subscribe button. My first impressions of these, I love them. I think they're fire, straight fire, much better in hand than in pictures and video. The major detail, of course, being the X on the back. You do have the graffiti print, which I think some people are not a fan of, but personally, I like it. I think it stands out. It does have a nice little shininess to it. The material is different. It is leather, but it's like a cracked almost leather. It does not feel like the Rebellionaire Air Jordan 1s, but it's certainly not your typical smooth leather either. They do come with black laces and some extra white laces. It's a shame that they didn't come with red laces to match the X on the back. That was an easy go-to. I don't know why Jordan Brand did not give us the red laces. And as you guys can see, I picked these up from GOAT because I was not able to get these for retail, as I'm sure a lot of you were not able to as well, because of this ugly release. Once again, from Jordan Brand, another ugly release. This time again on another Jordan 1 with another crazy theme, another crazy story to it. The X on the back, the band theme is written all over this sneaker, and Jordan Brand did not release the sneaker. Nike did not release the sneaker on the sneakers app. How would they not do that? Why didn't they do it? Well, I'll tell you why. They sent all the pairs to stores, and not your main chain supply stores either. Foot Locker, Foot Action. They didn't get them like that. Finish Line. No, a lot of your main retailers did not get these sneakers. Only really the smaller boutiques. The main retailers that I did see get them, I believe, was like DTLR, as well as I believe Jimmy Jazz. Those are like the main big ones, but there's still smaller compared to other big retailers that usually get your Jordan releases. Now, what did that lead to? A lot of backdooring. This sneaker was backdoored like crazy. That's why you saw them before release going for around $400 to $500 and then plummet down just like that to around $300 and have dropped ever since. And the smaller sizes, the bigger sizes are still hovering around 300 plus. Heavily backdoored, as well as heavily first come, first serve. Now we have to talk about stock, because stock rumors were just absolutely crazy, absurd for these. Rumors started off at 8,000 pairs, cap. There was not 8,000 pairs. Then there was rumors of, I saw 500,000, 300,000 pairs. I don't think there was even that much. I think the stores that actually received them received a good amount of pairs. I'm talking a few hundred pairs, maybe even a few thousand pairs, which leads to a lot of backdooring, which leads to a lot of first come, first serve. But I don't think that there was, like I said, 300,000, and I certainly know it was not 8,000 pairs either. With that being said, if you guys copped a pair, let me know down below in the comments. Put a bunch of fire emojis. If you did not cop, put a bunch of trash emojis. I would like to see who copped the Rebellionaire Air Jordan 1. When it comes to releases that Jordan Brand and Nike are just going to give to the stores only and not drop on the sneakers app, not hold stock, some stock, a decent amount of stock for themselves, you know they're going to be heavily backdoored. And that's what happened with this shoe. This right now is a reseller shoe. Resellers, a lot of resellers have pairs, and that's why I believe the price is where it's at. I do think over time, potential to go up. These could potentially, you know, skyrocket years down the road. Right now, I don't think so. I don't think they're that coveted like that right now. But years down the line, they could be. That X on the back, they're a shadow. The gray is very, very similar. They're wearable in my opinion. I know some people don't want to wear them because of the graffiti print. The graffiti print says they can't stop you from wearing them, which I think is really, really dope. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know your size. Do not forget to enter in the giveaway for the Panda Dunks. And make sure you guys check out Keeps. Thank you, Keeps, once again for sponsoring today's video. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.